Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Chaparro, and today I'm going to talk about API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and an API is an interface where applications or programs can share data between them or can share resources. One thing very important for the APIs is abstractions is when the user, for example, doesn't need to know what is behind a program or how something works. The user only needs to know how to use an app, for example, Instagram. And an example that I want to share with you today so we can understand what an API is the example of Uber. Many of us have used the Uber app, and we know that it has map and different displays different drivers, so we can select a one that is best for us. It has different cards that we can use to make a payment and other things. And let's say that we're going to be the people or the company or the programmers that are going to create the Uber app. So we need to establish what components or methods the app needs to have in order to satisfy the user needs. So let's talk about the maps on the Uber app. And we need a map to display the location for the different drivers or the location where we are. We can create a map from zero, but that way we need to have a lot of money and a lot of time to be able to put sensors and go through each city and the different streets and the different states and countries to have all the information for the maps and use it in the Uber app. But that will be a very complex solution, talking about creating a map for our Uber app. So the alternative that is best for us will be use the Google Maps. That way we can reuse the resource that Google Maps provide us, and we can connect the Google Maps with our Uber app, and that way we can have the maps that have already all the information that we need. That way we don't need to spend a lot of time or money creating all the maps, because Google Maps already has that information. So I really like that example, and I hope you guys like my video and my example and could understand what an API is. As a summary, it's very important to have and use APIs in our applications. That way our programs can be communicated with other programs, and that makes the application more powerful instead of creating an application that is isolated. So thank you for watching my video.